welcome to another episode of The Big Question with S&G. This is S&G.
I'm still here, guys.
Oh yeah, this is Neville.
Yeah.
Most of you guys don't know
That's 2 weeks in a row Neville Shah has made it for the podcast.
So you guys
Wow.
can consider yourself lucky.
Yeah, and he's not showered since the last week. So,
Yeah.
since Neville is here, Neville recently posted a stand-up clip about how
By
Indians
recently, we
travel.
mean a year ago.
A year ago, posted a trip about how Indians travel. So we thought it'd be fun to like explore that.
Let's make it a bigger, like traveling in general. Indians traveling, places
Correct.
you've been to.
Where all have you been?
Here's the thing. Before we get so this recent survey said that the worst travelers in the world are Chinese and Indians.
Yes.
We are the worst.
Because we're everywhere.
Well, also because we are so culturally isolated with our own way, the way we do things. When we go to other places, we just don't know the protocol. But so I'll give you one example, okay? And I met an uncle recently, and he just come back from America, and he was really angry. He's like, "अरे जहाँ भी जाता हूँ यार tip मांगते हैं, tip चाहिए." He's like, I took a tour on a plane, okay? We went to a Rocky tour on the plane. Landed. The pilot is asking for a tip. And he's like really angry. See, America has a culture based on tips. That and Japan is the other extreme.
Let
Where-
me give you a tip.
Yeah, it's insulting to tip someone
yeah,
in
in
Japan.
Japan, if you but
And Akshay
we
Kumar is
know
tip
this
tip
because-
Barsapan.
but I think he had a problem with the fact that tipping in India means that you're parting with more money than you need to.
Like
We're a
extra
country
paisa.
that gives a 30 lakh car to a guy to park, and then we'll pay him 10 rupees for that.
Yeah.
You know, worst
मैं
thing is
पता चलता है.
when the valet guy brings the car and you go and sit inside, you take out your wallet and you have nothing.
Nothing.
And it's just like,
Sorry, sir. अगली बार दूंगा.
Next time.
आपको छोड़ दो किधर? This episode is called How to Give Tips, basically.
Yeah.
I'll give you a tip.
Also bellhops, like when they drop your suitcase in the
room in the hotels. Yeah.
I've never seen a person take longer to get out of a room.
Yeah.
All of a
Like,
sudden,
it's
you
2 feet away.
become royalty because वो सीधा ऐसे घूम के exit नहीं करेगा.
You know.
And that's the face also.
Okay, should we get back to our traveling?
So traveling. Okay, so a lot of people like backpacking. I think
I
again,
backpacked last year.
I love backpacking. I love doing these Airbnb kind of vacations. I have my own friends and family who only go to 5 stars, for example, and I hate that. Not because it's like showing off.
Airbnb is awesome. Sometimes you end up in a hotel which is
No, I hate
shittier
5
than
stars
an
if I have to pay
Airbnb.
for it.
Because 5 stars
love it.
because they're all
So
the same.
my story is completely different because when I do advertising. Like
Oh,
day
FYI, creative director at Ogilvy goes to edit in Bucharest, goes to shoot, and goes to this for fuck knows what reason, but goes everywhere.
And then,
No, so the thing is, when you're in advertising and all, they send you in these fancy hotels. But so after all of this, when you have to travel as a comedian, suddenly business class and a 5-star is not an option. So they'll put you in some like Arna Sweets.
Arna Sweets, it's a
in
मिठाई का
Spice
दुकान.
Arna
Sir, आज आप मिठाई के दुकान में
I've
सोएंगे.
stayed at Arna Sweets.
Arna Sweets.
Arna Sweets.
Or like some
We've stayed at
Spice
Arna.
Jet shitty fucking like, you have to be like a leopard to sit in that plane.
No, so
the adjustment is a problem.
Where have you traveled to? The one of the places you've been to so far that you've absolutely loved.
Okay, so I just got back from Paris and it was awesome until the weekend came and suddenly there were Indians everywhere. Up till that point, Paris was beautiful.
No way to talk about your family.
Because laborers have come out.
Suddenly they just came in and like ये क्या है crepe? ये crepe क्या डाल रहा है? क्या अच्छा नहीं
अबे वो हिंदी में क्यों बात कर रहा है?
वो चूतिया है ना और वो खुद से बात करते रहते हैं यार इतना चीज का एक्स्ट्रा लेगा क्या इतना चीज क्यों डाल रहा है इतना चीज क्यों डाल
I think some experiences I've had. One was flying to Thailand. Thailand's a beautiful place. But
Why
we
did you go to Thailand, girl?
Everyone in India goes to
Oh!
Goa.
So that's the one thing. Right? Everyone thinks that. So I went with my friends. We went for New Year's. The first time I went to Thailand. All right.
Where did you go?
We went to Bangkok. We went to Phuket. But this trip was interesting because I'd heard of these bars. The
Go-go
Ping
bars.
pong. Ping pong bar.
the ping pong bars. I'd heard of these places and never seen. And when you've never been to these places, you think of
How
naked
it'll be.
women. You think of erotic. That's the word comes to mind.
No, but
Erotic.
you'll have to-
Yeah.
what is
But
the
it's
ping
not.
pong
It's
bar?
everything but. It's like
It's
just
what is the
it's
ping
a
pong bar?
meat
Let
market.
me explain. Let me explain the whole process. Okay, so we were on the street. There were 6 of us, our friends, and a couple of these
All
guys.
dudes?
No, 2 girls and 4 guys.
Okay, huh.
And it's multicultural. Some of them American, couple Indians and whatnot. Anyway, so we're walking on the street.
What not? Baki.
Multicultural.
There's no way to talk about Bangladeshis.
Yeah.
And this dude comes to us and he's like, ping pong show, very good. He's like, and then he says frog, and he starts motioning a frog going up a woman's vagina. He's like, frog, amazing show, and only free show, no money. So we go in, we walk in, alright, we walk into this place. It's a bar. It looks like a strip joint, alright, straight up. and there's a woman in the middle, and she's naked, and she's putting up a string of razor blades into her vagina. And
Who gets turned on?
Nobody.
Gillette
Nobody.
का fucking CEO. Oh, ये
so
मेरा
the,
blade है, अच्छा है.
so the whole idea of what
It's not a YouTube video with brand sponsor.
so she's putting a string of razor blades and she's pulling it out and not feeling any pain somehow. And we're all like, wow, that's got to be a dude who's got a thing done to it. You're like, there's got to be like a metal casting inside. Then the next chick goes up, all right? The next chick is doing something else. She's doing the ping pong things. Okay, she's
putting like a razor wire into.
she comes up, she gives my buddy Mike a ping pong racket, and she's like, hold this, and she's shooting ping pong balls out of the vagina. Meanwhile, the razor blade chick is sitting next to her. She's not put any clothes on. She's still naked, and she's eating noodles. Just nonchalantly,
regular
no
Tuesday
fucks
night.
given,
Oh,
no-
yeah, I just put
no
razor
fucks
blade
given,
and
just
some
eating
noodles.
noodles. Then the next chick comes in. Okay, the next chick one is going to shoot darts.
Uh,
Okay, she again grabs Mike because Mike was sitting the closest to the stage, and he's a white guy.
Wait, 1 minute. You're just saying they're shooting stuff up. How are they shooting stuff out?
Listen,
Kautuk, stop being
Listen,
There's a
20.
dude inside and he's
अंदर ऐसे बैठा होता है.
it's pressure. There are muscles that there are pelvic muscles that control this, and they have really great control over them. Mate. Listen,
man.
Kautuk, this is for you, okay? This girl comes, okay? She comes with balloons, and she gives Mike a balloon, and she just hold the balloon, and then she starts positioning her vagina like she's sitting. It's the most disgusting thing, and she puts the dart inside, and she's aiming. All right, and Mike's like, "Fuck this! I'm not getting AIDS," and he walks out. And he walks out. We all follow, and we get stopped by those guys. Like, no, you have to pay.
What?
Yeah, they're like, it's 100, and you have to pay. But luckily for us, there was also a Russian couple who were with us also, who were also watching the same thing, and they also started leaving. And the guy got really aggressive. The Russian guy got really aggressive. He goes, "You fucking touch me, I'm gonna beat you up." You know, you fucking, in his Russian way. So they got scared. So we followed them outside. We followed this guy out, and I will not recommend this to anybody. It is the most horrifying traveling experience I've had.
The weirdest story is, the weirdest thing you'll see if you go to Amsterdam, no? Indians get so excited that you can smoke in public.
No, it's not that.
Arey, fuck smoking in public. So you have these
just
streets,
so
right? The red light
excited.
district. So 90% of the people, out of which 80% are Indians or like Asians, just walk around
Without
Yeah, they're so happy.
They don't go in. They don't like do anything. They just like naked
Arey,
chick. That's all they're doing.
Yeah.
So my cousin went with his. So he has a restaurant. So with the operations manager of the restaurant, whatever, they went for work, and they're in Amsterdam. They're going in the red light district and everything. So he knew what the operations guy wanted. So he's like, you go chill and I'll see you back at X spot. So like, okay, cool. And he assumes that he's going to take few hours, right? So he's sitting there drinking his beer and suddenly this operations guy shows up in like 45 minutes. Shown up. And he's like, dude, क्या हुआ? You didn't go? गया ना? इतना जल्दी वापस आ गया? You saw everything? नहीं, वो पट गई मेरे से. वो पट गई. There's no patawing.
Yeah.
You go, you save, I have money, and then you go in. You
Yeah.
can be anybody. You can be this chair, and if you have money, you'll be.
So the guy
you'll be part
So he's like, ये पट गई मेरे से. He goes, हाँ, yes, okay. It's got it.
in Singapore, we had this is a food story again. We went in Singapore. We went to now Singapore has this like along Clarke Quay, they have these like fancy ass like theme restaurants. Okay, so one of them, I don't know why, they have a hospital theme restaurant. Okay, where there's a wheelchair which you sit in, and they serve like drinks in like IV bags and shit. There are Indians, this is obviously Indians, okay? So Indians are sitting along this thing and their first observation is, हम लोग का hospitals में ऐसा कुर्सी नहीं है. तो चूत
क्योंकि तू एक होटल में
ऐसा hospital में ऐसा कुर्सी नहीं है. Then they order food, okay? And they have no idea what they're ordering. They have and they have no idea because they're just pointing at numbers, okay? And they're ordering food, okay? So this guy brings, one of them ordered a squid, but they didn't order like cut squid, okay? So,
A live squid.
so not a live squid, like a whole squid. So now squid, if you know how it doesn't look very pretty.
Yeah.
Okay. So it comes on the table, and he had the gall to look at the waiter and said vegetarian.
Yes. सर इसका एक सीड आता है उसको हम लोग डालते हैं फिर वो ग्रो होता है ऐसा.
Okay, there's something we do as Indians. Okay, this is so I go with a friend of mine. We go to the man. We start speaking in broken English Like even though we get like so I go there and again this is like recently when
Especially if
Paris.
you're talking to like a foreigner, you will
Yeah,
break
yeah,
your own
Oh,
English.
Yeah, you start using keywords. It's just
You
like
get matcha and
yeah, so you get like we were at the metro and we're like we wanted a map. So, me and my friend go and my friend is like map road but would you like a map? That woman
you
that
suddenly
French,
seem like a
yeah,
dweeb.
that French woman knew, French woman knew English.
Overhearing Indian conversations abroad is one of the
definitely-
funniest things.
definitely.
I overheard when I was in Thailand. I overheard these two guys at a restaurant. They were trying to figure out which of the waitresses were female and which were lady boys in Hindi. Hey, ये देखना ये लड़का लड़की है क्या? लड़का लड़की.
This is also confusing.
हाँ,
ये लड़का लड़की है, ये लड़की लड़का है.
इसका
अरे लेकिन
मुच्छे
लड़का है कि लड़की?
मुच्छे है. तो क्या मेरी बीवी का मुच्छे है.
Yeah, and the most amazing thing is everyone's amazed with like cleanliness. Like इतना साफ कैसा रख सकता है रे?
Yeah.
कैसा रख
Also-
सकता है means गांडू को थूकता नहीं है.
Also-
क्यों रखा है?
Also, like Indians are just constantly amazed at how there isn't Indian food in foreign countries.
Yeah.
Like इधर
Indian
Indian
भी
food कैसे
यहाँ
नहीं
पे
है?
vegetarian
No, but
लोग
you
करते
know,
क्या
can I
है?
tell you, it's a very legitimate concern.
It is.
Because we are fucking everywhere.
So we're going to Cambodia, okay, and we tried the Cambodian platter there. So usme you get yeah, so you get frog legs, snake, and crocodile, okay. The platter
Crocodile
I
is
got for-
tasty though.
Yeah, it's pretty tasty. It's like a
Crocodile
mix
is
between
nice.
fish and chicken. Like,
But
whatever
except
the
it's got a
perfect.
little tang to it. I don't know why.
It's a ficken or a
I don't know what
chish.
crocodile you
तूने
had.
पुराना crocodile का
So anyway,
परसों का crocodile तेरे को दिया हुआ
so the thing is,
खून
the thing
भरी
is-
मांगा crocodile जावा.
वो रेखा को चबा के आया था तो इसलिए
वो टेस्ट है तेरे को रेखा का टेस्ट है उसमें actually.
So why is Rekha tangy?
happens in old age.
She would be थोड़ा.
It's like menopausal.
Oh man, you know what? It was going fine.
Yeah, it was fine.
It was
until
fine.
you reach that
so,
point.
so I call for this. Okay, now I'm thinking कि ठीक है, they'll cook it and they'll give it to you. He brings a stove. So it's not just the first time I've eaten this, but it's the first time I've also prepared it.
So now you don't know whether you prepared it right or not.
Yeah, so anyway, I have it. Now the problem was that like it was okay. Like the problem was that we took pictures and then we were showing it back home. So I'm showing it to my grandmother and she sees the food picture, okay, and she was like, "ये तुम्हारे मुंह में क्या है?"
That's not the first time Kautuk's grandmother had asked him that question.
I said, "Nana, वो मेंढक का पाव है, okay."
मेंढक
मेंढक का पाव है, okay, because that's the only way you can explain it. So she's mortified, okay, she is mortified, and then she says, "देखो, जो खाना है खाओ, बस हिंदू लड़की से शादी करना."
मेंढक खाओ.
Yeah.
No, but I think for us, for most people, right, in India, like before we went abroad, our first thing in India was Goa, right? You have to go to Goa.
And
No, if
at
you're
some
in
point you had to
Bombay,
play the
if you're
song.
in like Delhi or whatever, Goa's too far. First I'll go to Shimla.
They still go. By the way,
Shimla
you go
जाते
to this, you'll find a Chandni Chowk in Goa now. There's enough. There's a
Yeah.
place in Goa called Rotlo ne Otlo. So, fuck that. True story. There's Rotlo
We
ne
are
Otlo
everywhere.
on Baga Beach.
Because I think Baga is like the
It's a cesspool
Dadar
of
station
fucking-
of fucking
Dude, I had a
Goa.
bottle.
No,
broken
everyone
on my
thinks-
head.
yeah,
A bottle broken on my head in Baga.
What for luck?
No, because there was at
He
Tito's,
was
man.
launching a ship.
No, I was at Tito's. I was hammered. I was hammered at Tito's, and they were just letting the.
I think it's because you went to Tito's.
No, I was outside Tito's, and they were just letting Gora. So I made a stinker about this. I was like, you guys are just. I had no. My buddies were sitting outside there. We had no intention to go in, but I saw it. And I saw injustice. And I was drunk. And I was like, suddenly inner Mahatma Gandhi comes out.
Inner Mahatma Gandhi is never like that. Mahatma Gandhi wala, he never
Okay,
did
my inner
that.
M&S comes out. My inner-
No point Mahatma Gandhi.
and so I started saying shit. I was like, this bullshit and all that. So this guy grabs a bottle behind me, one of the bouncers, and he breaks it on my head. Literally breaks the bottle on my head.
As you do.
I don't know why this
ये
happened.
गलत है, ठीक है.
It is insane that this happened. It was escalation like I've never experienced.
What's the theory on? So there are also like it's not just loser Indians who travel. Okay, like even people like us. When we travel, for example, like my destinations are like no matter what country I go to, if there's a Burger King, I will go there and have
Just
a
to
beef
see
burger.
what's
Surely.
new over there.
No,
Five
just
Guys.
No, I want to
No,
have a
it's a
cheeseburger.
it's a tradition.
I want a
really.
cheeseburger
So
no
I do.
matter what.
Yeah, I do the Whopper. So that's my thing.
Yeah,
Every time
I do
fly-
a mushroom Whopper,
Yeah.
or if I go to Five Guys, then
Yeah. So the Whopper. So if I know that if I ever go to Texas, the first thing I'll do is have brisket because I love
Oh,
brisket.
damn.
Yeah.
And Texas
24
brisket.
hour brisket.
There is nothing like Texas. And you guys have never had brisket. You guys are missing out. and every barbecue has it. It's sliced meat, beef, but it's so thinly sliced that it can be cooked like instantly.
It's like carpaccio but thinner.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, no,
Yeah.
just one quick question.
Okay.
Country that you always want to go to, but haven't gone yet, and you're really looking forward to go to.
Germany.
Germany.
Yes.
Antarctica.
Country, but sure.
I'm going to any other Scandinavian countries.
Oh.
I would say Norway or Japan.
I want to be there
For
under
me,
the northern
for me,
lights.
it's Japan. I've not been to
Japan
Japan.
is,
I really want to go.
but not
Japan,
Tokyo. I want to go outside.
No,
Tokyo.
you have to go to Japan. Three times.
I want to
It's
go
one
to
of the
Japan,
best
Japan.
All right,
experiences
guys.
you'll
After
have.
dawn.
That's the end of this episode.
Yes.
Thanks for tuning in.
If you have any funny travel stories, write in the comment section below.
The
If
real
you have any
question is-
questions, write in the comment section below. If you're a nice guy,
Write it in the comment section.
Right.
below.
Yeah.
If
Or
you
girl.
just want to talk about things.
And
write
the
it
real
in the
question
comment
is,
section
will I
below.
be there in the next podcast?
Probably.
Write it in the comment section below.
all right, that's it. This is SNG signing off. Tada.
Bye-bye.
First of all, it's 5 in the morning. How the fuck did you wear a sari? मैं अभी तक बॉक्सर में मेरा लंड खड़ा है तू क्या कर रहा है साड़ी कैसा पहन लिया तू
You know what I find really cool is that all of them are vying for the throne and not one of them has said anything about development.
It's amazing.
Yes.